As we have captured the requirements for automated underwriting, let's design the user story document for it. So as an underwriting system, so here the persona is underwriting system. I want to evaluate insurance proposal using predefined underwriting rules. So we'll be creating a system which will define the underwriting rules by themselves. I mentioned what we will be developing so that the low risk cases can be automatically approved. As we have discussed, medium cases would be reviewed by underwriter, and high risk can be rejected or flagged for investigation. Okay, so pretty straightforward, I think so. Acceptance criteria is the system should evaluate proposal data after the proposal is submitted. System should apply predefined underwriting rules based on age, health, declaration, lifestyle information, income eligibility, and others. So we have discussed some of the criterias or factors, and I mentioned the same in the acceptance criteria. Then, as we have discussed that the low risk criteria would be automatically approved through straight through processing, and medium risk criteria should be would be sent to a manual underwriter for further review, and high risk criteria the system would automatically reject the proposal or flag it for investigation. Okay, and this decision would be stored for the compliance and audit purposes. The system should notify the relevant stakeholders about the underwriting decision, and the system should maintain an audit trail of the underwriting decision and rules applied. Let's go through the activity flow diagram that will be sending it to the developers. This will actually show how our system will perform. So once we have entered all those details such as age, lifestyle information, medical history, and others, then our automated underwriting system will evaluate it, and if the risk score is low, then it will be accepted through straight through processing. Medium risk, then it would be sent to underwriter. Manual review would be done, and the underwriter decision could be either approved or rejected. And if it is a high risk, then it will be auto rejected, and all these decisions would be stored in the underwriting decision in the database, and it will be recorded for audit trail, and we will notify the stakeholders, and finally we'll update the proposal status as either approved or rejected. So this is how our system will perform. Let's go through the wireframe now. So, as we can see that the system is evaluating based on age, annual income, smoker status, BMI, occupation, health declaration, and lifestyle. And in this case, it has been seen as a low risk. And then, so people with low risk would be the status would be STP approved. And in that scenario, all the stakeholders would be sent the notification, such as proposer, agent, ops team, and underwriter. We also will be maintaining the audit trail where it will show like the proposal has been received, rules engine triggered, risk score computed, STP path selected because it is a low risk, decision stored, and notification dispatched. So yeah, that's all regarding the user story document for automated underwriting.